So here we're being asked to find the difference quotient of this quadratic. And so let's talk about what it is that we're um, trying to do here. And I think it's helpful maybe to consider um, let's do it on this side. So let's consider uh, this to be x and this to be another point. And in between them, the size of that space is going to be h. And so so then the coordinates of this point are going to be x comma f of x, and the coordinates of this point are going to be uh x plus h comma f of x plus h. Okay. And so it's a curve. Um, it's a curve. So what I want us to, let me see if I can make that just a little thicker. It's a little hard to see, but there's a line that connects them. I tried to draw it in, and that's that line there is maybe I erased too much, is the secant line. And so we want to find out what is the slope of that line. And that's where this formula comes from. Now notice this is x plus h minus x. If you think about the run, f of x, no, x plus h minus x. So because of that, that's how you compute the run. If you notice, then the x's are going to cancel. So that's why the formula simplifies to this. Okay, so now how do we actually plug things in? So it's going to be 2 times x plus h squared minus, or plus 5 times x plus h minus 1 minus, I'm going to write down here just for space, although actually I think I might be able to fit it. 2x squared plus 5x minus 1. Yeah, we'll leave it like that. All over h. So this is the piece that might be a little challenging because you've got to do 2 times, you've got to multiply this out, so it's 2 times x squared plus 2 hx plus h squared. plus 5x plus h, distributing there, minus 1, and then distribute the minus sign. So it's minus 2x squared minus 5x minus 1. Yeah, it's a really long thing. Fortunately, things are gonna start canceling in just a minute. I have to distribute the 2. So it's 2x squared plus 4 hx plus 2h squared plus 5x plus h minus 1 minus 2x squared minus 5x minus 1. Hopefully I've not made any mistakes, but this will cancel with this. The 5x and the minus 5x cancel. And what am I left with? First of all, I should have noticed that this is a plus sign. When you distribute this minus sign, that becomes plus. So then we're also looking at being able to cancel this with this. So trying to just kind of clean this up a little bit. It's still quite messy, but we were able to cancel out a lot of things, and so we're left with if you notice the h's here are gonna cancel, so I'm gonna be left with 4x. The h's here, one of them is gonna cancel, and then h divided by h is 1. And so this is your answer. And if you were given a problem where you were given a particular x, say 1, say it was this, and let's say your h was a half, or let's just say that's 3/2. Then if I plug it into this formula, then you'd be able to tell me that the slope is 8. The slope of the secant line would be 8. So that's how you do the simplifying. And then if there's some kind of application where they give you an x and an h, that's how you would plug it in.